Bonsai trees are miniature marvels. They evoke a sense of tranquility and ancient wisdom. Originating in China over 2 millennia ago, bonsai cultivation evolved into a revered art form in Japan. These living sculptures represent harmony between nature, artistry, and patience. Bonsai trees captivate with their aged beauty, mirroring the grandeur of mature trees in miniature. This essay will guide you through the fundamentals of growing and caring for your own bonsai.
Selecting the right bonsai species is crucial, especially for beginners. Some species are naturally more resilient and easier to care for. Consider these beginner-friendly options: ficus, Chinese elm, Japanese maple, and juniper.
Ficus, with its glossy leaves and tolerance for indoor conditions, is an excellent choice for novices. Chinese elm, known for its adaptability and forgiveness of occasional neglect, is another great option.
For those seeking vibrant autumn foliage, the Japanese maple is a stunning choice, although it requires more attentive care. Junipers, with their evergreen foliage and ability to thrive in various climates, are also popular among beginners.
When choosing your first bonsai, consider your environment and the level of care you can provide.
Caring for your bonsai requires specific tools designed for their unique needs. These tools help maintain the tree's health, shape, and miniature size.
A concave cutter is essential for pruning branches flush with the trunk, promoting proper healing. Branch shears are perfect for trimming thinner branches and shaping foliage.
Root rakes help to remove old soil and untangle roots during repotting. A chopstick or a wooden skewer comes in handy for checking soil moisture and aerating the soil.
Investing in quality bonsai tools will make your bonsai journey more enjoyable and successful.
Section 4. Nurturing your bonsai: water, soil, and sunlight. Proper watering is crucial for bonsai health.
Unlike conventional potted plants, bonsai require a different approach. Water thoroughly when the soil surface feels slightly dry to the touch. Ensure the entire root ball is soaked, allowing excess water to drain completely.
The frequency of watering depends on factors like species, pot size, and climate. Bonsai soil is specifically formulated to provide excellent drainage and aeration. Use a well-draining bonsai mix that retains moisture without becoming soggy.
Most bonsai thrive in bright indirect sunlight. Place your bonsai near a south-facing window, providing at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight daily.
Section 5. Shaping your bonsai: pruning and training techniques. Pruning is an art in bonsai cultivation, essential for maintaining its miniature form and aesthetic appeal. Regular pruning encourages branching, creating a denser and more refined foliage pad.
Use sharp, sterilized tools to prevent disease transmission. Pinch back new growth regularly to promote bushier growth. Wiring is another technique used to shape branches and trunk. Use specialized bonsai wire to gently guide branches into desired positions. Regularly check for wire bite and loosen or remove it as the branch thickens.
Section 6. Common bonsai. Beginner mistakes to avoid. Beginners often make common mistakes that can harm their bonsai. Overwatering is a frequent error, leading to root rot and other problems. Ensure proper drainage and avoid keeping the soil constantly wet.
Insufficient sunlight is another common issue. Bonsai need adequate light to thrive. Neglecting pruning can result in leggy growth and an unkempt appearance. Regularly prune to maintain shape and encourage healthy growth. Lastly, using regular potting soil instead of specialized bonsai mix can suffocate roots and hinder growth.
Section 7. Embark on your bonsai journey. Growing bonsai is a rewarding and meditative hobby. It teaches patience, appreciation for nature, and the art of nurturing life in miniature. Remember to choose the right species, provide proper care, and learn from your experiences. With dedication and a gentle touch, you can cultivate your own living masterpiece. Embrace the journey and enjoy the tranquil beauty that bonsai brings.